Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Ford Transit, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a Ford Transit Custom 2 litre 300 EcoBlue Trend L1H1. It's got the EU6 engine, it's 2019 on a 19 plate, and it's done 10,622 miles. Now the good thing about this is although it's a Trend, it's got virtually everything that the Limited's got, the better van. So I'll show you the stuff as we go along. But fuel economy, and this is only for a guide, of course. It depends what you're carrying, how heavy your van is. Urban, 40.9 miles per gallon. Extra urban, 48.7 miles per gallon. Combined is 45.6 miles per gallon. It has a top speed of 99 miles an hour, and anybody obviously who's followed a transit van up the motorway knows that's fictitious. They go a lot faster. It's a 4-cylinder 16-valve engine that develops 103 brake horsepower. Okay, so we'll just get it switched on. This vehicle has got air conditioning as well, so that's a good thing, especially today where it's quite warm. We'll just turn that down. When I can see where the fan is, there you go, turn that down, make too much noise. You've got this sat-nav touchscreen, you've got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming, and as you can see there, that's the normal sat-nav. It's also got Apple CarPlay, so if you've got an iPhone, let's try and get this in the right way today, there you go. If I plug my phone in there, you'll just see it come up, there you go, CarPlay, and it basically mirrors your phone. There's your last apps used here, Audible, you've got iTunes, just knock that on there, you can go. So that's your iTunes, go back to the little buttons there, you've got audio books, there you go. You've got audiobooks if you've got them on your phone. If you've not, then basically you can send texts, but the navigation, I think, as I always say, I think it's better on your phone than it is on these systems in the car these days. And you can use while you're driving, if you've got your phone connected, you can use Siri. Hey Siri.
What's up?
Navigate to Lake Garda.
Getting directions to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, the United States.
Hey, well, it's not foolproof, but anyway, let's try another one. Okay, hey Siri. Navigate to Sorrento.
Getting directions to Sorrento, Italy.
There you go.
Starting route to Sorrento.
All done. So you can
proceed to Carwood Road.
You can,
then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
You can just put directions in from using Siri. So it's a really good system. As I say, telephone, you can dial, you can text. Hey Siri. Text Gordon.
What do you want to say?
I'm just testing the car and sending you a text.
Your message to Gordon says, I'm just testing the car and sending you a text. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's it. So, not only can you text while you're driving, but you can text while you're doing a 3-point turn in this.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Carwood Road. In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the third.
So there you go. It's a really good system. I always say it's about Fords. Years ago, when I was selling Vauxhalls, there was a sunroof company that made really neat sunroofs. Fantastic. They were kind of an add-on thing, but they looked like factory fitted ones. And we just used to have these pop-up things, and Ford ended up with these sunroofs that were really good. And then, as far as I can remember, they just bought the company and then started fitting them to the cars, whereas we were ended up, Joe Muggins here, cutting holes in roofs of Cavaliers and fitting, I think they were called panorama glass sunroofs. So the radios have always been one step ahead. The gearboxes have always been one step ahead, and unsurprising, this vehicle drives beautifully. It's got front and rear parking sensors, so this is an extra. It's got a heated front screen, it's ply lined, it's got a side loading door, 6-speed gearbox. We've got cruise control on the multi-function steering wheel here, and it's also, let me just check, yeah, it's height and reach adjustable. And then you've got your other stuff here. You can, your information display there. I almost forgot as well, we've got power folding door mirrors, and I think they're also electrically heated. Great Vans Transits. I enjoy driving them. You've got absolutely everything. You've got here a front central armrest. You're kind of all set here. Armrest here, big thick door panel there to rest your other arm on. Then you've got this, if you've got any delivery board or anything, and 2 cup holders there. You've also got, just in front of the gear stick here, another cup holder that folds out. Cup holder here, flask holder there, another cup holder down there. I'm just going to pull that out so it don't keep giving us directions. But they're so enjoyable to drive. Got a nice solid bulkhead here, so you can't hear any rattling in the back from whatever goods you're carrying. Really speaking, it'd be better if you just got in the right lane in the first place and didn't cock everybody up. I'll show you how to work the sat-nav when we... There you go. Always happens here. These people are a lot more important than everybody else, and have to get ahead of you, break the traffic laws. I'm just going to show you the height and reach adjustable steering wheel there, but it's the lights are on green. Everything's to hand all night. Ooh. There we go. So then we just need to press set, and little switch there, flick up for plus. Let's just take me to 72, take it down to 70. knock it down towards your knees to reduce your speed. Of course, it would have been better if I'd been in 6th gear then, but so resume button there anyway. And here we go, we're doing 70 at about 1750 revs. Nice and quiet, nice and comfortable. Your electric window switches here. You've got your global central lock in here. With the latest transit vans, they've got better locks on than they used to have. Kind of a big round steel plate lock, so that's a little bit more secure than they used to be. It's a windy day on the it's windy on the motorway, but we're okay here. And as you see there goes a Transit, 99 miles an hour top speed. What a load of rubbish. That there was a long wheelbase jumbo, and as I say, it is very windy, and you'd probably have seen him swaying, but it's probably still plenty under the bonnet there. There you go, he's overtaking now into the outside lane. I've got to be honest though, this is a silver one. I think the white Transits are a lot faster than the ones in good colours. It's very, very pleasant to drive. Another one, the last one we had of these a couple of weeks ago, the person who bought it is going to convert it into a camper van. With the state of world travel just at the moment, it probably makes sense to whatever you'd spend going abroad, you can convert a camper, and then you've got it for next year as well. There we go, we've got a Transit Custom in front as well. Another Transit over there, I think. It's going up the hill. Here we go. His mustn't have sport steering. He's got a lot of weight in the back, I think. As I say, beautiful gearbox. Better change up there. $50 miles an hour. Telling me to change up to 5th. Feels like I'm walking. It's a really, really good spec, and of course, great value really. Finished in silver metallic with the grey cloth, with 3 seats, the bench seat across the front here. Nice chap who pulled off his drive like his life depended on it is now doing 25 miles an hour or something. Spoilt me test through here, but I used this little section to test the suspension, and it's hardly likely to be anything wrong with a 10,000 mile lovely Transit. What a position to turn left there. Talk about making it difficult for yourself. Very bumpy road along this stretch. Nicely finished. Kind of a contrast dash, grey and black insets on the doors here as well. Just there we've got a power socket and the USB to control the Apple CarPlay and your music. Although again, just through the Bluetooth here, if you click controls there, you'll see there you've got audio and your telephone. That's telephone.
Oh, that's
audio.
A really good idea.
And Christy, do you think this plant alert project sounds like a good idea
Quick
to try and
sources.
identify?
There you go. That's just the Bluetooth. So I'll finish the test drive there anyway. Great van, nothing to report, everything's working fine. Check my speed here. Yeah, we're going into a 30 mile an hour. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in this vehicle, you can live chat us or give us a call, or just ring up and reserve it. Thanks for watching.